Hi everyone and welcome back to another unboxing. Hopefully this painting inside is a hell of a lot better than the previous unboxing that we did, that dolphin. But yes, hopefully we've got much better picture in here. This painting in here was $2.99 and I saw it and I just had to have it. It's flower related because I do love my flowers. And there is something else in here that I ordered. So yeah, I will have that inside as well. But yeah, so let's take a look inside the package. What I get is, I keep getting, let's get down here a minute. I keep getting headaches, so I found these. I was getting some medication because you can get medication online. And this isn't diamond paint related, but because it's in the package, I found these, which are the Cool and Soothe cooling gel sheet. Apparently it's immediate cooling relief for migraine, 8 hours continuous cooling, non-medicinal and soothing and comfort. And I thought, well, do you know what, I'll try that. I mean, I've never tried them before. My friend Kaylee used to have them way back in college and they're supposed to be really good. So next time I've got migraine, I'm going to give this a go. And my mum suffers from migraines a lot, so I might get her a pack, but this was like £3. But anyway, so I've got them. And this is the paint. Oh yes, it's one of my favourite ones. It's the one that's in that lovely Flatheads Out package. This looks much better, I think. Hopefully this one is a lot better, because otherwise that's like £10 down the drain with that and the dolphin, you know. So probably paid about £8 for both of them, but let's take a look in here. Oh yeah, these drills are funky. Oh wow. Okay, so these ones have got baggies and all sorts of wonderful things in here. So that's really cool. Wow, look at that. Got a full kit there without the tweezers. But yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so we'll take a look at the drills next time. I really must remember to get square. Okay, so this ain't much better itself, but good God. Yeah, this is... What do you guys think? I think this is probably worse. Okay, well, this is the painting up here. That's it itself. Okay, so we've got the basically various flower heads, and then we've got that big flower in here and various flowers here. But then what concerns me is down here, what is all of this? This is obviously, that is supposed to be 3 flower heads, but it looks all mushed. What I'm going to do is, because I like the fact that there's so much colour in this, it isn't, I'm disappointed with it as well, I'll be honest with you. But I'm still going to do it. £3. What's the point in returning it for £3? So I'll give it a bash and then see how it turns out. I mean, it could be like Hobie, we do it all and then we just have to get rid of it. But I think I'm going to give it a go and see, you know, what we can do with it. I mean, you know, some of the heads like this one, that one, there's one down here that looks quite detailed. I'll give it a go. I know it looks like a giant splash of paint's been splashed all over it, but we'll give it a go and see what we can do for £3. It might turn out better, but for $2.99 I thought it was a bargain. We'll see what we can do. It's going to be a hell of a lot of confetti, but as you can see, it's 30 colours and 30 times 40. Until we've painted it or we start to block it in, we won't know what it's going to turn out like. If I get halfway and I think, oh, I don't know, we'll make that assessment then. But I think let's give it a go. But I'm definitely for sure returning that dolphin. I don't like it. But this, we'll give it a go. But let me show you what it's supposed to look like. It's a little bit better than the dolphin, I think, but we'll see what we can do on this. This is what it's supposed to look like, and I paid $2.99 for this. Oh, it's actually sold out. But if I just try and, let me just pump it up a bit so you guys can see. So it's supposed to look like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. So all we can do is give it a go. But I can see in the contour here that these are supposed to be them little frilly bits, because as you can see here, it's like it's like what's that animal that's got that funny shells and they a pangolin. It's like that sort of effect. So yeah, we'll give it a go. We'll give it a bash and see what it is and see what we can do on it. But anyway, that's that. So let's get to the drills. Okay, so hopefully the next time you see me doing an unboxing will be Temu. That's quite nice. I don't normally get a very big amount of G symbols, because these are what we call G symbols. But yeah. Okay, so let's get this one out. We'll get that one as well. Funny, strange packaging. I didn't expect them to both open at the same end. But yes, these, I mean, there's so much splash of colour in this. Look at that. So we've got yellow, banana colour. We've got a sort of military green or wish-washy, sort of like brute green there. You know, the brute aftershave you can get. Orange, pink, and a bit of lime green probably. Oh, look at that. Julie, look at that. That's your favourite colour, purple. What does Sasha and Sapphire think? Oh, we've got a black one in there. And then we've got like an orangey colour, browny colour, a blue and a black. That's pretty good. We've also got ourselves some white, little blue, lilac, sort of like, well, that's actually a lighter shade than that, slightly lighter. And then we've got a yellow and an orange. Quite like that colour. I think that's the same as Hobie. Just to set that for the minute, let's just take a look. It might be, no, a little bit lighter. It's probably like, no, a little bit lighter than that, but well, that's what we could do. We could tone that drill down a bit, but I don't fancy sitting there plucking all that off. And then we've got, this is where it gets funky then. So we've got pink and yellow and blue and red. That is gorgeous. Such a beautiful colour. Always reminds me of the Eddie Stobart. Brown. There's a lot of these wrong drills in these packs. Look, there's another one there, look. Orange, pink, green, and a couple of pinks there, a white, a dark blue, and a green there. So yeah, we'll give it a go. It's always disappointing when you really want to work on the painting and you've got to send it back because it's so poor quality. But there's something telling me that I should give this a go. It's a 30x40, my standard size. All we can do is try it out. If it turns out awful once we get it done, then it is what it is. But I like the fact that there's so much colour in it, and I'm going to give this one a bash. But anyway, okay, so that's the end of this unboxing. If you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description of the video. Hopefully the next time we do a video, we will have Temu. I think they're based in Boston, which is America, but I don't know if Pat said they come from China or what. But when I looked it up, they come from, their headquarters are in Boston, so I don't know on that. Also, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do the Clown Prince of Crime. Unfortunately, when I went to go and check it out, it's actually out of stock. So all I can do is keep checking an eye on it, and hopefully it comes back into stock. But yeah, I went onto the app, and unfortunately it's out of stock. So let me just have a quick look, see if it's gone back into stock. I don't know if they get them back in. I'm not fairly new to DAC, so, but yeah, unfortunately it is saying they're out of stock, which is so annoying because I really wanted to get that ordered, and yeah, I can't do it because it's out of stock at the moment. But anyway, that's that. Take care. Have a lovely rest of the day, whatever you may be up to. Diamond painting, going shopping, going to the theatre, going for a walk, whatever you're doing, going for a jog, let us know. And see you next time for another unboxing. Take care, guys. Bye bye.